whisper. It's about 4:45. That's really, really early. Gotta go to the airport. It's probably 5 o'clock in the morning. We're heading to the airport. We're going to jump on a plane and we're off to Moranbah. Oh, got dark. Self-serve. I'm not sure if I like it. There's a couple of things on my agenda now that we've made it through security. One is to find a cup of coffee, and the other is to buy some socks. Well, we found some coffee. Now we really need to find some socks. I want to read you an email I just got about the little A7S on eBay. Dear Jason, I will pay $2,000 for your camera. You will ship to South Africa for free. Please don't respond using PayPal, but use my email address, harry_thomas15@yahoo.com. Well, Harry Thomas, I think you might be a scammer. So Qantas has changed our gate. Now we're racing to a new one. It's at the other end of the airport. Lucky us. This is the special golf buggy treatment you get when they swap a gate at the last minute and you get shuttled to the airplane.
Something good?
Hello mate, how you going? We're doing a vlog, Lisa. It's Lisa, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Lisa, this is Lisa. Lisa's going to make us a cup of tea. She's first of all going to drive us to site, make us a cup of tea, then we're going to blow some stuff up. Thanks, mate. Yes, I like it. We're getting on the plane, no PPE, it's awesome. Hello mate, how you going? And that is the end of our adventure. This could be an ugly, ugly, ugly conversation.